Immerse yourself in the unparalleled beauty of Switzerland's waterfalls, a spectacle of nature that leaves you breathless. The Swiss landscape, a canvas painted with the most vibrant hues of nature, is home to some of the world's most stunning waterfalls. Each one is a marvel in its own right, cascading down mountainsides and cliffs, carving through valleys and forests, offering a sight that is as captivating as it is awe-inspiring. Imagine standing at the foot of these grand waterfalls, feeling the misty spray on your face, the thunderous sound of rushing waters filling your ears. It is a sensory experience unlike any other, a testament to the raw, untamed power of nature. Yet, there's a sense of tranquility too. A serene environment where one can simply stand and marvel at the beauty around them, lost in a state of peaceful contemplation. These waterfalls are not just about the spectacle they present, but also the refreshing experience they offer. Whether it's the cool mist that envelops you, the crisp mountain air that fills your lungs, or the verdant surroundings that soothe your eyes, every moment spent here is a rejuvenating experience. And the best part? This is just the beginning. Switzerland's waterfalls are as varied as they are numerous, each offering a unique experience. From the towering Lauterbrunnen waterfall, nestled in the valley of 72 waterfalls, to the elegant cascade of Giessbach Falls, to the hiker's paradise of the Three Waterfalls Trail, there's a waterfall for every taste and preference. But this isn't just about the waterfalls. The journey to these natural wonders is equally captivating. Picture yourself on a discovery tour, leisurely hiking through the surrounding countryside, each step bringing you closer to these awe-inspiring spectacles. It's about the journey as much as the destination, about exploring the unrivaled beauty of Switzerland and letting it capture your heart. So are you ready to embark on this adventure? To witness the grandeur of nature, to feel its power, and to be left in awe of its beauty? Stay with us as we take you on a journey through some of the most enchanting waterfalls Switzerland offers. Welcome to the mesmerizing Lauterbrunnen waterfall, located in the valley known for its 72 waterfalls. This picturesque cascade is the jewel of the Lauterbrunnen Valley, a place where nature's artistry is on full display. The waterfall plunges over 300 meters from an overhanging rock face, a sight that captivates all who witness its grandeur. But the waterfall is not the only attraction here. Nestled at the foot of this natural wonder is the charming village of Lauterbrunnen. With its traditional Swiss chalets and serene pastures, it offers a peaceful retreat from the rush of modern life. Here you can indulge in local cuisine or take a leisurely stroll through the village, soaking up the tranquil atmosphere. For those with a thirst for adventure, the surrounding countryside beckons with its diverse flora and fauna, offering numerous hiking trails that wind through verdant meadows and dense forests. A visit to Lauterbrunnen Waterfall is a must for any nature enthusiast. Next on our list is the graceful Giessbach Falls, a cascade of elegance in the heart of Switzerland. This splendid waterfall is a symphony of nature's finest elements, a serene sight that lures visitors from all corners of the globe. Nestled in a verdant forest, Giessbach Falls cascades down 14 tiers, each one a stunning spectacle of aquatic ballet. The fall's thunderous roar is a soothing soundtrack to the tranquil scenery, a symphony composed by Mother Nature herself. Close by, the historic Grand Hotel Giessbach stands as a silent sentinel, bearing witness to the fall's timeless beauty. This grand dame of hospitality offers a front-row seat to the waterfall's enchanting performance, a view that has captivated hearts for centuries. Around the falls, you'll find an array of activities to enhance your visit. From leisurely hikes to discovery tours, the surrounding countryside is a playground for nature enthusiasts. The Giessbach Falls is an unforgettable sight, a testament to nature's majesty. For the adventurous souls, the Three Waterfalls Trail offers a thrilling exploration journey. Nestled in the heart of Switzerland, this trail is a hiker's dream come true. Imagine a path that takes you through verdant forests, sprawling meadows, and alongside babbling brooks, all the while offering glimpses of three majestic waterfalls. Each waterfall is a spectacle in its own right, cascading down from great heights, their roar echoing through the valley. The first waterfall, a sight to behold, is a roaring cascade of white water against the backdrop of lush greenery. The second, a bit more elusive, peeks through the dense foliage, its gentle murmur a soothing lullaby for the weary hiker. The third, the grand finale, is a dramatic plunge of water that leaves one in awe of nature's raw power and beauty. The trail also offers a host of other attractions, from quaint picnic spots to various flora and fauna sightings. The Three Waterfalls Trail, a paradise for hikers, is a journey of discovery and awe. Scene script: Switzerland's beauty doesn't stop there. It offers an array of other waterfalls worth exploring. Let's begin with Giessbach Falls. Tucked away in the heart of the Swiss Alps, this waterfall is a hidden gem. It's a sight to behold as the water cascades down the rocky cliffs, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The nearby village of Murren offers charming Swiss cottages and mouth-watering local cuisine. Combining a visit to the Giessbach Falls with a leisurely stroll in Murren makes for a perfect day trip. Next up, we have the Waterfall in the Sultal. This waterfall is unique for its mighty roar as the water crashes down into the Sultal Valley. The surrounding area is a hiker's paradise, with numerous trails winding through the lush greenery. After a day of exploring, you can unwind in the nearby town of Eski, known for its warm hospitality and stunning lake views. Finally, we dive into the mystical world of the St. Beatus Caves on Lake Thun. Here, the waterfalls take a subterranean turn. Inside the caves, you'll find waterfalls plunging into underground lakes, creating an otherworldly atmosphere. The caves are named after the legendary monk St. Beatus, who, according to folklore, slayed a dragon in these very caves. After exploring the caves, you can enjoy a tranquil boat ride on Lake Thun, taking in the panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. But these are just a few highlights. Switzerland is teeming with countless other waterfalls, each more enchanting than the last. From the thunderous Rhine Falls to the serene Trummelbach Falls, there's a waterfall for every kind of adventurer. Whether you're a seasoned hiker looking for your next challenge, or a casual traveler looking to immerse yourself in nature's beauty, Switzerland's waterfalls offer something for everyone. They're not just about the water. They're gateways to exploring the rich culture, history, and natural beauty of Switzerland. These waterfalls, each with its unique charm, are a must-visit for any traveler. Switzerland's waterfalls are a sight to behold, each offering a unique experience. As we've journeyed through this awe-inspiring country, we've encountered the sheer majesty of its cascading wonders, each one a testament to nature's grandeur. First, we delved into the Lauterbrunnen Valley, a place where 72 waterfalls cascade into the heart of the valley, creating a dramatic spectacle that's simply unparalleled. The Lauterbrunnen waterfall is a sight that stays with you, its grandeur etched into your memory. Next, we discovered the elegance of the Giessbach Falls. This cascade of beauty, with its multiple tiers tumbling into Lake Brienz, is a symphony of water and light, a natural masterpiece that's as enchanting as it is tranquil. Our journey then led us to the Three Waterfalls Trail, a hiker's paradise that promises adventure and discovery. Here, the Trummelbach, Spitzbach, and Murrenbach Falls each offer a unique hiking experience, their paths winding through picturesque landscapes, their waters singing the song of the mountains. But the journey didn't end there. We ventured further, exploring the Giessbach Falls, the Waterfall in the Sultal, and the St. Beatus Caves on Lake Thun, among others. Each of these places offered their own unique charm and allure, their waters painting a vivid picture of Switzerland's diverse and stunning landscape. And let's not forget the vibrant town of Interlaken, nestled between two azure lakes, where countless activities await. Whether it's paragliding, mountain biking, or simply soaking in the scenic beauty, Interlaken is the perfect addition to your waterfall adventure. In conclusion, Switzerland's waterfalls are more than just natural features. They are a symphony of sight and sound, of power and grace. They are a spectacle that captures the heart and soul, a testament to the raw beauty of the natural world. Experience the magic of Switzerland's waterfalls, a spectacle of nature that captures the heart and soul. Until next time, keep exploring.